it's Larry Lursey, and today I'm going to show you how to create a photograph to use here for your custom photo on Facebook. Now, you've got your profile picture here, of course, but you know, a while back Facebook moved to this thing where they've got the cover photo at the top. And it's really easy to put your own image in there, but there's a few things you got to keep in mind when you do it, so that it doesn't end up looking all funky looking and cropped wrong, which you see sometimes on people's pages. So let's just jump in right here and start. First thing we want to do is go up to File, New, create a new document here, and it needs to be 851 pixels by 315 pixels. So set that up and hit OK, and it's going to give us this right here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Facebook is constantly changing, and so it's only a matter of time until they probably change the dimensions on that cover page, cover image. But that's something easy enough to look up and just modify this tutorial to the new dimensions. But this is where they're currently set. Now, before we jump in, I want to draw your attention to one thing, and here's a sample one that off of Facebook. And you'll notice that Facebook is going to go back and add some buttons down here, some text, and your profile picture is going to cut off a bunch of it. So you want to make sure that you don't have anything critical down here along the bottom, especially the lower left, because it will get cropped out once Facebook puts it into its place there. So just something to keep in mind when you're selecting an image. So I've selected this image right here, and all you're going to do is grab the little move tool here. We're going to drag this image right on top. Life had worked out perfectly, it would have fit perfectly, but it's a little too big, so I'm going to do Command T on the Mac, Control T on the PC. Let's get out here, we can see what we're doing. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag in the corners here. I'm going to hold down Shift while I'm dragging this to make sure it doesn't distort. And I'm going to bring it down to, I'm going to try and get it basically as small as I can, but still fit in the frame. So probably about like that. Again, I've left space here, space here. I think that'll work pretty well. I can move it up or down a little bit if I want to. But I think that's pretty much it. Hit enter, and you're pretty much good to go. It's just a matter of saving it as a JPEG and bringing it on into Facebook. In Facebook, by the way, here's where you're going to do it, is right when you're on your page, right up here at the top will appear a little thing that says change cover. You're just going to click right on that to import the new one into your Facebook page. And that's pretty much it. Quick and easy, crop the right way, and you make sure that you've got the extra space so everything works out perfectly. So hope that helps, and come back soon for more tutorials. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.